Well, I lost my top. Don't know how it happened, but it happened. Got the roof cut out. So the metal was really thin up in here, and over the doors it was almost non-existent. So got all that cut out. Now I'm just gotta start trimming stuff back. I need to get this piece out. This all seems to be solid, so I'll get it out here. This, I've got a new one, so I can get this piece out where it's welded in right there. And then same on this side. I'll get this trimmed up a little bit more, get this all out, and then we'll go from there.